Want to automate Instagram actions using n8n? By using the Meta Graph API and correct tokens, you can post, comment, and respond via n8n. So let's get you connected. So guys, firstly create a Meta app and add Instagram tester. Go to Meta Developers, create new app, select the business type. Add Instagram Basic Display and Instagram Graph API under Featured Products. Configure test users. In the app dashboard, add the Instagram account under App Roles, then Instagram Testers. The tester must accept the invite via Instagram Desktop under Professional Account Settings. Now let us generate access token. Inside your app, navigate to Graph API Explorer or Instagram Settings section. Select the Instagram test account, grant required permissions. Click Generate Access Token, then optionally extend token to get a long-lived token. After that, add Facebook Graph API credential in n8n. So in there, go to Credentials, New, and then Facebook Graph API. Paste the long-lived access token and optionally app secret. Save and confirm authentication success. And the last step is going to be setting up workflow and Instagram posting node. Add a Facebook Graph API node to your canvas. Choose the credential, set version, and HTTP method post. For feed post, node your Instagram business account ID, edge media for uploading, then media_publish in a follow-up node. And in the params, you choose image_URL, 2 dots link to your image, then caption 2 dots post caption. That's pretty much it. After that, you just execute and verify, and you're basically done. Guys, that's pretty much the tutorial. Hopefully it was enjoyable to you, and of course it did help. If it did, of course, also support us by liking the video and subscribing, leaving a comment, and of course don't forget to press on the notification bell to not miss the new fresh videos.